What if the celebrity brand you see on a store shelf isn't really a celebrity business at all? The name might belong to a famous actor, singer, athlete, or influencer. Their face is everywhere. Their social media promotes the product. Millions of fans buy it. But behind the glamour, there can be something much bigger happening. Because the smartest celebrities don't just sell products. They build businesses around their influence. And that changes everything. Think about what happens when a celebrity launches a beauty line. At first, it looks simple. A famous person creates a product, puts their name on it, and sells it to fans. But successful celebrity brands often operate more like sophisticated consumer companies. There can be manufacturers, private label suppliers, marketing agencies, distribution networks, investors, licensing agreements, retail partnerships, and entire teams working behind the scenes. The celebrity becomes the attention engine. The business becomes the machine. And that distinction is where the real money can be hiding. Take celebrity beauty brands. A celebrity doesn't necessarily need to own a factory producing every bottle, cream, or makeup product. Instead, companies can handle manufacturing and logistics while the celebrity contributes something incredibly valuable. Attention. Millions of followers can instantly become potential customers. Traditional companies can spend enormous amounts of money trying to get consumers to notice a new product. A celebrity may be able to generate that attention with a single Instagram post, interview, or appearance. That doesn't guarantee success, but it can dramatically reduce one of the biggest challenges in business: getting people to care. And the same strategy appears in fashion. A celebrity clothing brand may look like a simple collection of shirts, jackets, or accessories. But underneath it can involve designers, sourcing companies, factories, warehouses, e-commerce platforms, retail stores, licensing deals, and international distribution. The celebrity isn't necessarily selling clothing. They're selling identity. Fans aren't simply buying a jacket. They're buying a small piece of the lifestyle associated with the person wearing it. And then there's an even more interesting business model: ownership. Some celebrities don't just want a paycheck for promoting a product. They want equity. That means instead of being paid only for advertising, they can potentially benefit from the growth of the company itself. If the brand becomes more valuable, their stake can become more valuable too. Now, the celebrity isn't just the face of the business. They're financially connected to its success. And this is why celebrity entrepreneurship has become so powerful. Fame creates attention. Attention creates customers. Customers create revenue. And revenue can create a valuable company. But here's the part most people miss. The ultimate goal isn't always selling more products. It's building a brand that can exist beyond the celebrity. Because a famous person's popularity can change. Trends change. Audiences move on. But a powerful brand can survive for decades. That's why the biggest celebrity entrepreneurs think beyond one product. They build ecosystems: beauty, fashion, wellness, food, media, technology, and investments, all connected to the same personal brand. So the next time you see a celebrity holding a product on your screen, don't just ask, "How much are they getting paid to promote this?" Ask a much more interesting question: how much of the business do they actually own? Because sometimes the celebrity isn't the advertisement. The celebrity is the business model.